Delicious, fresh, fried cauliflower and rice recipe is here, guys. It's completely vegetarian. It's an awesome dish. When you're hungry, you can make this recipe in under 40 minutes. I can tell you that. I have a fresh cauliflower. This is 1.5 pound of a whole flour, and this is a 2-pounder. I'm using 1.5 pound of cauliflower, which is fresh. Yes, of course, I'm using basmati sela rice, which I have soaked in water. If you guys are making this recipe, this is 1.5 cup actually. So if you guys are making this, put your sela rice, basmati sela rice in water, soak it at least for 30 minutes. So let's get straight into the video. I have a pan. This is a pan recipe. Again, under 40 minutes we have to do this. First thing first, we will slice this guy open. We will chop our cauliflower, right? If you guys get the cauliflower, it has this part. Just remove this part. We have a pan on the stove. It's on the high flame. We will add some oil right here. I would say at least 7 tablespoons of oil. Let's chop this guy now. So we need just the good part. So just like that. We don't need bigger stems. So just like that, we need this. So we'll break apart just like that. So it gets easy for us, you know. Right? So once you take it out, just add it in your pan. Listen to this sound, the frying sound. So here we will let the cauliflower stir fry at least for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll get an onion, medium size onion, and we will just slice it and add this right here, right next to our cauliflower. We are making the best ever vegetarian recipe for fried cauliflower and rice, right? So once you slice the onion, just add straight in here. Give it its mix. Our cauliflower is getting fried. The best part, we will flavor this recipe. It's very good. It's 4 cloves of fresh garlic, rough dice it. Okay, it goes in here as well. Grab half of the capsicum, or you can call this a bell pepper, right? Use any color. I'm using orange. So we have oil, we have cauliflower, we have onion, and we have a bell pepper in here. I gave you the quantity. I'll list all the ingredients and the quantity wise in the description box. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, right? Now let's season this with the secrets. This is mustard seed, guys. Get this. It gives a perfect nice flavor, right? So we will add half tablespoon in here. This is carom seed. If you guys see, add just half tablespoon of carom seed in here, half tablespoon of cumin. Let's give this a mix. Oh my god, it's getting aromatic. Easy, right? Okay, here we will add 1/4 spoon of turmeric in here as well. That's enough. Man, it's aromatic, I'm telling you. Okay, we'll take a whole tablespoon of salt, 1 whole. Or you can do salt to taste. We have stir fried our cauliflower. It's more than 5 minutes. This is all we needed. You guys see the flour, the smokiness, and we added the dry ingredients in here as well. Look at this beautiful color. Alright, we will take our soaked rice. It has 2 cups of water in here as well. So just right there, we'll add our rice. Perfect, huh? Easy. Once you add the rice with the water, give it a mix. Perfect, right? Now you can, at this point, you can taste test your rice if it's carrying the salt. Oh yeah, for me it's good. Black pepper, just sprinkle some black pepper, powdered one, on top of this. Yes, easy. We'll take handful of mint, fresh mint. Okay, and just put some mint on top of it. It's gonna cook, it's gonna take some time, at least 25 minutes, but make sure the quantity, the ingredients are perfectly right. I'll take 1 more cup of water. So we had 2 cups in here, right? As I told you, 1 more cup, so 3 cups. Just put some water, put it on high flame right now. Put your stove on high flame. When it's bubbling, when you are able to see the rice, then we will put the onto simmering. Well guys, it's been 10 minutes, right? It's on the high flame. Okay, look at this. You can see the rice on top, right? This is what we need. Now we're gonna put it onto simmer. It's a vegetables, right? So we have, you can see this. It still has water. Simmer cook these rice. Oh my God, it looks so yummy, right? Look at this. Wow, fantastic. All right, put it onto simmer and put the lid back on, and let's cook this rice for 15 minutes. Okay, it's on the simmer, 15 minutes. Let the whole magic happen in this 15 minutes, and I'll see you after 15 minutes. Exactly 25 minutes after we added the rice. Look at this pot, it's steaming up. And here you go guys, this is our beautiful fried cauliflower Sela basmati rice pulao. Wow man, I'll turn off the stove and look at this beautiful color it got. Yummy. Everything is cooked about it, you can tell just by the looks. Let's give it a stir. Man, yum. Look at this fluffy rice. Wow. Right amount of ingredients does the whole trick. Look at this cauliflower. Oh my God, it's gonna melt in your mouth. Man, the seasonings. Everything is wonderful about this delicious vegetarian recipe. And see, how does it taste, right? So here you go. Look at this fluffiness. Wow. And the cauliflower. It's so hot, man. Cauliflower first. Is it? Oh my God. Just by the touch. Refreshing. Soul refreshing food. Make this recipe. I'll share all the ingredients in the description box. As I said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Make this yummy vegetarian recipe and you'll be happy about it.